What's up guys, it's Subie Sam back here with another vlog. This is vlog number 6 right now, and I have something very exciting to show you guys. I got the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and it's pretty awesome. We're out here at Cape Rock. Brought the super dirty Subaru. Now let's switch it to the GoPro. Now this is how it looks with the GoPro Hero 7 Black. As you can see, it's a lot wider. It's a lot clearer. Dirty. Now I'm going to strap it up for the way home on the car, and we'll hear some exterior sound clips. Footage of while I'm driving. I hope that increases, like, makes my content a lot better, so then I'll have more to show, more point of view, more on the car videos, all that stuff. I hope the quality of the videos, the picture as well, is better. Comment below if you'd rather see my other camera or my GoPro, and if you have anything that you guys want to see, also let me know. Before I end the video, make sure you check out Iconic Supply. I'll put the link down in the description. Basically 10% of every sale is going to help kids with blindness. I'm trying to spread the word. I have a eye condition myself, so I kind of just want to help other people. We have shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, all that fun stuff. And comment below. Please like and subscribe. and I'll see you in the next one.